When you first launch BikeCAD, you'll get the main BikeCAD window, and all the additional dialog boxes are going to be closed. As you click on icons to launch the dialog boxes, they'll appear in the top left corner of the screen. I recommend that you drag the dialog boxes off the main window so that they sort of sit off to the side or below, as I'm doing here. It's usually feasible to have a few dialog boxes open at any given time, and an arrangement like this works pretty well. When you shut down BikeCAD, BikeCAD will remember the size, location, and state of all the dialog boxes. When you restart BikeCAD, it will have remembered the size, location, and state of all the dialog boxes. Up here we have the Display Dialog Box Configuration button. When you click it, BikeCAD gives you a second state, where you can arrange the dialog boxes differently than you did in the first state. Perhaps, just for an example, you might set the second state so that the main window is full size. You have a third state where you can have yet another arrangement of dialog boxes. If the first state you chose to use for your main design tasks, the second state you chose to use for maximizing the display of the bike and focusing on the bike itself, the third state you might choose for focusing on the use of the Fit Advisor, bringing that dialog box up, maybe having the main window sized appropriately for displaying not only the bike but the rider as well, perhaps some other information like the handlebars and stem that you might like to change at the same time as the Fit Advisor. As you can see, when we go back to State 1, we have the original arrangement of dialog boxes from State 1. State 2 gives us our focus on the bike. State 3 is our focus on the Fit Advisor. Just as an example, it's up to you how you use all three states. Of course, if you just want to remain in State 1 all the time, that's fine as well.